Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about convergent and divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integral test. So we need to transform this one into this one. That should be about from number 1 to positive infinity, and we have s over s squared plus 1 ds. Now we need to put this one into the limit, and that is about a approach to positive infinity. And now we have the integration from number 1 to a. So the integration of this one, we will have about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. And now I will put a and number 1 cone here. So this one we have ln of number 2. So when I approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So this one that should go to positive infinity. Because the result is positive infinity, that means the series is divergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.